Okay, dear students, we are in determinants chapter, NCRT, class 12, fourth chapter. Okay, yesterday our last class we have finished all the concepts required for 4.1 exercise, and let us do the 4.1 exercise now. Okay, what they have given, you see, 4.1 exercise. Evaluate the determinant. First question, second question, part 1. Let us do these two, then again we are going to do remaining questions. Okay. First question, you see, directly they have given determinant. They have not given matrix. Okay, here also they have not given matrix. Between lines means this is the determinant. This is not bracket. Okay, and also they have not mentioned A or B like. Then evaluate the determinant means how to find this determinant. See, determinant we can know how to find AD minus BC, A, B, C, D, AD minus BC we can find. But you see, what notation you have to give? Why? Because A and all they have not given. Or else you have to take let A is equal to like and determinant A you have to write. Or else directly we can write like this. You see delta. Why? Because they have not mentioned any name. Delta is equal to. You see, directly I am telling, directly I am writing. You see, AD minus BC. 2 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 5. Okay? BC. AD minus BC. AD minus BC. Minus 2 minus of minus 20, that is equal to 20 minus 2, that is equal to 18. Is it correct? Okay, let us go for this one. This is 18. Okay, write this also. Here also AD minus BC determinant. AD minus BC delta is equal to, AD means what? Cos square theta. Cos theta minus sin square theta. Okay, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Then cos square theta plus sin square theta. Is it 1 or not? Okay, 1 only. Like this, we have to finish this questions. Okay. No doubt, we go for a second part of the second question. Okay. Okay, see. Second part of the second question. Determinant, like direct determinant they have given x square minus x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1. This also have to find the value, evaluate means. Okay. I have done mistake. Okay. Here x plus 1 is there. We have to write x plus 1. Okay. Now see, take this x plus 1. X square minus x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. Okay. Now let us find delta. Okay. Right now A, D minus B, C. Okay. A into D minus B into C. Okay. Okay. Now also you can take x plus 1 common, or else direct multiplication you do and you finalize it finally. Okay. Okay. See, x I am multiplying with x first, then I will multiply with 1. Okay. Write down x cube minus x square plus x plus 1 means plus x square minus x plus 1 minus, or else you keep this under parenthesis, this side minus that side. You see, a plus b into a minus b, like a square minus b square. Write down a square minus b square, but under parenthesis. If you open parenthesis, minus is there. This is going to become minus, this is going to become plus. That is why you should be careful. Okay. See, before opening itself here, you see minus x square minus x plus x are going to get cancelled. Then what will come? X cube plus 1. Is it okay? X cube plus 1. Why? Because x square, x are going to get cancelled out each other. So now I will open this bracket. Minus x square plus 1. Is it okay? Minus x square plus x1. That is equal to x cube minus x square plus 2. This will be your answer. See, determinant now has come in expression form. Normally determinant will come in value. But if expressions are there, then expressions are going to come. Okay? This is the answer. Note down, we go for third question. See the third question. If matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 2. See, they have given matrix and asking determinant. Okay? 1, 2, 4, 2 is a matrix A. Here A they have given. Show that determinant 2A is equal to 4 determinant A. Like this you have to read. How to read? Determinant 2A is equal to 4 determinant A. Like that you have to read. Okay. Let us see. See, LHS also you can take or RHS also you can take, anything you can take, but both you have to prove. LHS is equal to RHS. Then only show that, that means prove that like. Okay, you see A is there. 2A, first you multiply with 2, then you make determinant, okay? See, 2A is equal to, directly I am writing, why should I write 2 and afterwards like that, directly I am sending inside 2. 2, 4, 8, 4, is it okay? Okay, 2A. 2A is 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 4, 2 into 2. 2, 4, 8, 4 will come. Okay. Determinant of 2A is equal to, determinant of 2A how? AD minus BC, that's all. No, first you write this one. Rather than doing that, first in determinant form you write 2, 4, 8, 4. Okay? That is equal to 8 minus 32. That means determinant of 2A is equal to minus 24. Is it okay? First you see 8 minus 32. 32 minus 8 is 24. 8 minus 32 is minus 24. Okay. Now let us take this 4 determinant here. 4 determinant here, how can we write? We can write like this. 4 determinant A is equal to 4 you write. Determinant A you write 1, 2, 4, 2. Okay? Or else first you find determinant. Why? Because if you got any confusion, determinant A we are finding first. Determinant A. Why? Because this is matrix. Determinant A we are finding. That is equal to 2 minus 8. That is equal to minus 6. Is it okay? Okay. Now you find 4 determinant A. That is equal to 4 into minus 6. That is equal to minus 24. Okay. Write down LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay. Write down. Third question I have finished. Let us go for fourth question. Fourth question, you see, if matrix A is equal to 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 4, this is 3 by 3 matrix. Show that they have written, show determinant 3A is equal to 27 determinant A. Here also, see, first you multiply with 3 and find determinant, keep aside, and first you find determinant and multiply with 27 and prove that both are same. Like that we have to do. See, 3 by 3 determinant has come. 3 by 3 means expansion by rows or columns, signs all will come. But luckily here you see column 1. Column 1 is having 2 zeros and R3 is having 2 zeros. Then you can take whether C1 or R3. Then only one step we can do. Okay? Okay. I will take this R3. Okay, expanding by R3. What I am doing, I am finding this A first. Okay, or else we can find 3A also. 3A we can find and first LHS only we can do. Okay, let us do 3A. First you find 3A. 3A means matrix only. Matrix only we are finding. 3A means 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 6, 0, 0, 12. Is it okay? 3A? Definitely okay. Now find the determinant, comma, determinant of 3A is equal to, and you write first. 3 0 3 0 3 6 0 0 12. Okay. Determinant of 3 we have written. Okay. Next you see, write down. See what I am writing, left side right side means you have to write all down. Okay. Expanding by R3. Expanding by R3. That means row 3 I am expanding. Row 3 if I expand, you see that is equal to row 3 if I expand. For zeros, is there any symbol required? Not required. Okay. Then what we have to do? See 0 plus 0. But this, see first plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. This is plus. Plus 12. You see this is R3 and C3. Both are closed. Then 3003 you have to write. 3003. Okay. 3003 I have written. You see 0 0. Sorry, not 0. 3 9. Sorry. 12 into AD minus BC. You see 9 minus 0. 9 minus 0. That is equal to 12 nines are 108. Now you see LHS has come 108. Then RHS also should come 108. 108. Okay. Let us do it. RHS also. RHS means first you have to find a determinant A, normal determinant. Okay, normal determinant you find normal determinant. Determinant A is equal to 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4. Okay, I am writing side, but you don't write, you write down. Expanding by R3. R shall I take C1? Why? Because R3 we have taken top, and here we will take C1. Expansion by C1. Expansion by C1. Column 1 I am expanding. See column 1 if I expand, you see first one is positive. That is equal to plus 1 determinant. Plus 1 into determinant. Okay. First row, first column close. 1204. 1204 you have to write. That is equal to remaining also you have to write like this, plus 0 plus 0. Why? Because these two are 0 column. Okay, that is equal to. Okay, now you 1 into, you see 4 minus 0. That is equal to 4. Okay, this 4 is only determinant, but 27 determinant A is equal to 27 into 4. That is equal to 108. You understand? Because A is, determinant A is 4, comma, 27 determinant A is equal to 27 into 4, 108. See 108, LHS, RHS matched. You write down LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, why? Because show that he has asked. We have proved. Let us go for fifth question. See, fifth question, first part. Evaluate. Determinant they have given, directly determinant we can do. 3 minus 1 minus 2 0 0 minus 1 3 minus 5 0 they have written, and they have not given any A B C line. That means delta you can use, delta symbol. Okay, how to expand? Where you are going to expand? You see R2 is 2 zeros we are having. Then you expand by R2, only minus 1 calculation you can do. Okay, let us expand. What I am writing, you see, expanding by R2. Why? Because R2 2 zeros are having. Okay, that is equal, delta is equal to. Okay, now you see first, see plus minus plus. That means this is minus plus minus. Okay, minus 0 again plus 0. While 0 you directly write 0 0. Even if you don't write this also, examiner is going to give marks. But for your sake of understanding, I am writing. Okay. Now here minus of minus 1. Is it okay? Okay, minus will come, but already minus is there. Then you keep this determinant. See, this is in second row, third column. Close second row, third column. Then 3 minus 1, 3 minus 5 will come. 3 minus 1, 3 minus 5. Okay? I am writing side by here only. Or else I will write down. Any space is there. Okay, minus of minus plus 1. Why? Because 0, 0 you need not write. You see minus 15, AD minus 15, minus BC. You see minus of minus 3. That is equal to plus 1 you need not write again. Why? Because multiplication is there. You see minus 15 plus 3, that is equal to minus 12. Is it okay? Minus 12 will be the final answer. Okay? Let us go for second part of the first question. Okay, see the second part of the fifth question. Evaluate the determinant. Delta we can write, but here you see no zeros are there. Not even single zero. Then you can expand by R1, R2, R3, or C1, C2, C3. All are equal, and you can take anything. I will take R1. Okay, expanding by R1. Why? Because R1, if I take symbols, I know. Plus, minus, plus, like immediately. If I take R2 or C2, then again I have to see plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, like that I have to see. Okay? Okay. Let me expand by R1. Write down. Expanding by R1. Delta is equal to, okay, plus 3. Okay. See, 3 is in R1 column 1. Then R1 column 1, if you close, automatically 1 minus 2, 3, 1 will be there. 1 minus 2, 3, 1 will be there. Okay? Okay. Now, minus, plus, minus, plus. Minus of minus 4. Why? Because already minus is there. Okay? See, this is in R1 and column 2. Then, this column 2 we have to close. Then 1 minus 2, 2, 1. 1 minus 2, 2, 1. Okay. This is in second one. Then you take this one also, plus 5. Why? Because row 1 we have to complete, finish. Okay. Okay. Plus 5 you could take. Then close this row 1 and column 3. Row 1, column 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now write down. Do the calculation. See, 3 into 1 minus of minus 6. Plus 6 directly I am writing. That much of experience we have got. 1 minus 6 we have to write, but already minus 6 is there. Minus of minus 6 plus 6. 1 plus 6. Plus 4. Okay, 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4. Why plus 4? Minus is there. Okay. Plus 5. 3 minus 2. Here minus 2 only. Why? Because both are plus. That is why minus 2 we have to take. Okay. Let us do 3 into 7 plus 4 into 5 plus 5 into 1. That is equal to 21 plus 20 plus 5. That is equal to 41 plus 5. 46. Okay. 20 plus 21, 41 plus 5. 20, 46. 25 plus 26, 46. Okay. Now this is the answer, 46, for second part of the fifth question. Let us go for third part. See the third part of the fifth question. 3 by 3 determinant. 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 0, minus 3, minus 2, 0, 3, 0. Okay. If you observe carefully here, row 1 or column 1 or row 3 or anything you can take. Why? Because you see, wherever you take, 1, 0 will be there. 2 operations you have to do. R1 if you take 2 operations, R2 also 2 operations, sorry, C1, anything. But I will take R1 only. Why? Because taking R1 is easy for me. Okay, if all are equal, then I will take R1. Plus, minus, plus I can use. Okay. Write down. Delta is equal to, See 0, only 0 you write, then minus 1, determinant. See row 1 column 2, minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 0, minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 0. Okay, then plus 2 if you take row 1 column 3, then minus 1 0 minus 2 3, minus 1 0 minus 2 3. Is it okay? Okay. Now you see 0 you need not write, but you see minus 1 into, see 0 minus 6. Why minus 6? Why? Because minus into minus plus, but already minus is there. Plus 2 minus 3 plus 0. 2 into 0, 0. Okay? Okay. See minus into minus plus 6 minus 6. That is equal to 0. Okay. See fourth part of the fifth question. Okay. See here, if you take C2, all operations you have to do, but if you take R1 also 3 operations, but you can take C1 or R2 or C3. Well, I think we have not taken C3. C3 we will take. Okay, expanding by C3. Write down. Why? Because one operation we are going to save. Expanding by C3. Okay. Write down delta is equal to, you see plus minus plus, that means plus but minus 2. Determinant you keep. Okay, row 1 column 3 you have to close, then 0 2 3 minus 5, 0 2 3 minus 5. Okay, then see next this one you have to take column C3, column 3 you are taking. You see plus means next minus, minus of minus 1. Okay, 0 you need not take third one. Let us finish first this one. Okay, you see now this is in column 3 but row 2, then column 3 row 2 you have to close, 2 minus 1 3 minus 5, 2 minus 1 3 minus 5 you have to write. Okay, now you see C is there, C plus minus, then plus 0 you write and leave it. Why? Because you need not do this determination. Why? Because 0 is there. Okay, or even if you don't write this 0, stop up to here also not wrong. Okay, let us do. You see minus 2, like that only you keep. You see my 0 minus 6. Okay, 0 into something is 0 minus 6, minus of minus plus 1 minus 10 plus 3, minus 10 plus 3. Okay, okay, now you see minus 2 into minus 6, 12, minus 7 into 1 minus 7. Is it okay? First you see minus 10 plus 3 minus 7, minus 7 into 1 minus 7, 12 minus 7. Okay, what will be the answer? 12 minus 7, 5. This is the value for this your determinant value. Okay, fifth question, fourth part. Let us go for sixth question. See the sixth question, what they have given. Matrix they have given, matrix A, 3 by 3 matrix, 1 1 minus 2 2 1 minus 3 5 4 minus 9. Asking to find determinant A. We can find determinant 3 by 3 determinant. Okay. See here no zeros are there. No zeros are there. No zeros means you can take anything, but I am taking first one only. Why? Because plus minus plus easily I can write. Okay. Let us take expanding by R1. Now here delta, rather than writing delta determinant A, we have to write. Okay. First you write expanding by R1. R1 I am expanding. Okay. Determinant A is equal to, okay, plus 1 determinant. Why? This is plus 1 minus 1 plus minus 2, plus of minus 2, like that you have to write. Okay. You see R1 column 1 you have to close, then 1 minus 3 4 minus 9, 1 minus 3 4 minus 9 you have to write for determinant. Okay, now minus 1 minus 1. Row 1 I am expanding. Okay. Row 1 but column 2. Then 2 minus 3, 5 minus 9. 2 minus 3, 5 minus 9. Okay. Now you see plus minus, again plus you have to write. Plus but minus 2 is there. Plus minus plus but minus 2 is there here. Minus 2 you write. Okay. Row 1 column 3. 2 1 5 4. 2 1 5 4. Okay. Okay, right on. Next operation, let us do. See, plus 1 like that only 1. But you see minus 9 plus 12. Is it okay? Minus 9 but minus of plus 12. Minus of minus 12. That means plus 12. Okay. You see here minus 1. Okay. Minus 18 plus 15. Okay. You see here now minus 2 you write. 8 minus 5. Okay. 1 into something over here. 12 minus 9 is 3. You see, minus 3 will come here. Minus 18 plus 15. Minus 3. Minus 3 into plus minus 1 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3. Okay. Here also you see. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 into minus 2. Minus 6. That means plus 6 minus 6. 0. This determinant value is 0. Okay. Let us go for 7th question. Okay, see. 7th question. Find the value of x if first part determinant 2 4 5 1 is equal to determinant 2x 4 6x. You see here one side only numbers, one side x is there. Numbers with x. Then you can find. If you equate automatically, x value is going to come. Let us do it. Okay. See, determinant only, both. Determinant you have to find. 2 minus 20. Is it okay? 2 minus 20. Okay. 2x square minus 24. Okay. So 2 minus 20, what will become? Minus 18 is equal to 2x square minus 24. Like that only you keep. And now you see, you send this 24 this side. 2x square is equal to 24 minus 18. That is equal to 6. X square is equal to 6 by 2. That is equal to 3. X is equal to plus or minus root 3. Is it okay? Okay. X value is plus or minus root 3. He is asking us to find the value of x. That's all. Have find. Let us go for second part. Okay. See. Find the values of x if determinant 2 3 4 5 is equal to determinant x3 2x 5. Here also you see one side only x is there. And see, let us even two sides also you can compare and bring that value, x value. But let us do determinant. Okay. Determinant equation equate we have to do. Okay. Let us equate determinant. You see 10 minus 12. 10 minus 12. 2 into 5 is 10 and 4 into 3 is 12. That is equal to, you see 5x minus 6x. 5x minus 6x. Is it okay? Okay, then you see minus 2 is equal to minus x. Is it okay? Then you cancel minus minus, then x is equal to 2. That's all. Understand? Okay. Let us go for 8th question. See question number 8. If determinant x to 18 x is equal to determinant 6 to 18 6, then find x. Same like earlier 2 questions we have done. Same like only. Both you do, left side, right side, determinant you do and equate, then x value is going to come. Which one is x value? You have to put a tick mark. This is objective question. Okay, let us do it. You see how I am doing. Left side you see x square minus 36. X square minus 36 is equal to 36 minus 36. 36 minus 36. Is it okay? Okay. Now you see, you send this 36 that side. Already 36 minus 36 is 0. Okay. X square is equal to 36. Is it okay? Well, because 36 minus 36 is 0. And this minus 36 is going to become plus 36 if it goes that side. Okay. Then x is equal to how much? Plus or minus square root of 36. x is equal to plus or minus 6. Is it okay? Okay. Now put this mark b plus or minus 6. See, don't write only 6. Why? Because minus 6 square also 36, plus 6 square also 36 will come. Okay, accuracy you have to maintain in questions and all. Okay. Okay, now see, we have finished this 4.1 exercise determinants. In the next class we will do 4.2 exercise concepts. Concepts we will see. After concepts again we will take 4.2 exercise. Okay. Thank you very much.